Varmebaronen is the heating company with Sweden's widest product range. Our offices, development facilities and modern production plant are in Kristianstad, southern Sweden. We manufacture domestic boilers, pellet burners, electric elements and electric boilers for industrial use and commercial buildings. These products are renowned for their long service life and top quality. Every single product is carefully tested. We supply well-designed, complete solutions that are reliable and easy to handle. This provides security, comfort and economical heating. Wood heating need not be hard work or take a lot of time. We're going to show you how to heat your home easily and conveniently with an installation from Varmebaronen. A warm welcome. It's good to know something about wood and how it should be handled to obtain the most from your wood-burning boiler. Wood from deciduous trees makes the best fuel. Wood from coniferous trees isn't quite as good. Chop your wood well in advance, not later than the winter before the next heating season. The wood will then have time to dry properly. For safety's sake, measure the depth of your firebox and chop the wood so it's 2 to 3 centimeters shorter. Wood is split more easily when it's newly felled. It's split so the logs can dry better, and to make it easier to put them in the boiler. Even smaller logs should be split or partially debarked. Dry the wood outdoors during the winter and up to the following summer. By then the water content has fallen to almost half. During the heating season, it's a good idea if you dry the wood indoors for at least 2 to 3 weeks before it's burnt. We're now going to show you how important it is to use really dry wood. In the right scale pan we've placed a newly cut log which weighs 1 kilogram and contains 50% water. In the left pan there's a dried log that only contains 20% water. As you can see, we have to pour on 3 deciliters of water for the scale to balance. If we imagine a consumption of 20 cubic meters of wood a year, you have to dry out 3,500 liters of water through the chimney if you burn badly dried wood. A little calculation tells us that the dry log in the left pan contains a full 45% more energy than the log in the right. The chimney is an important part of the installation when burning wood. The chimney must fulfill certain minimum requirements, be tested to make sure it's tight, and approved by a certified chimney sweep. Chimney height affects the draft. The higher the chimney, the better the draft. For boilers employing a natural draft, the chimney should be 7 meters high and 150 to 180 millimeters in diameter, depending on the capacity of the boiler. If you have a lower or smaller chimney with less draft, you should choose a boiler with a suction fan. Varmebaronen's boilers with a suction fan function with a chimney just 3.5 meters high and a diameter of only 100 millimeters. Now we're going to see how a modern wood-burning boiler is constructed. This is the firebox. This is where combustion begins. There's a ceramic insert at the bottom of the firebox. This helps to raise combustion temperature. A high temperature is one of the conditions for high efficiency and for the boiler to be environmentally approved. The flue gases pass through a number of tubular pipes and heat the boiler water. As all burning of wood produces ash and soot, it's important to keep the pipes clean. The soot formed when you burn wood will otherwise act as insulation, and the heat then continues out through the chimney. If you have clean pipes, it means less work chopping wood. When you've decided to change your boiler, you're choosing a friend for the next 20 years. Change to one you'll be happy with. It should be easy to run and efficient. It should be easy to sweep out soot. You reach everything from the front. The hatch is opened by a simple handle. If a boiler is easy to sweep, it gets done, which means higher efficiency and, above all, less chopping of wood. There are no awkward corners that are difficult to reach. The flue brush is a perfect fit in the round tubes, and you can easily reach and clean all heat transfer surfaces. It should be easy to remove ash. Using the stand-on legs, you avoid back pain and ash on the floor. You rake the ash from the boiler straight down into the box. It's simple and safe. The easiest way to start the boiler is to begin by putting in a few sticks. You then fill the boiler firebox with wood. With the help of the butane gas lighter, you get the boiler going quickly, in an environment-friendly way, and get a good fire going in about a minute. A gas lighter is supplied with all of Varmebaronen's wood-burning boilers. Now the boiler is operating and at full power. Thanks to inverted combustion, you get higher efficiency and lower environmentally dangerous emissions. This, in turn, means less chopping of wood. A modern wood-fired installation consists of an easily swept boiler with inverted combustion, which is environmentally approved. One or more well-insulated storage tanks meet house energy requirements for 24 hours during the winter. Then you don't need to run the boiler so often. One of the tanks is fitted with a fresh water tank that provides ample hot water. There's also a 6 kilowatt electric element in the tank, useful when you go away on holiday. There's a shunt fitted to the same tank. This regulates heat to the house. A storage controller regulates transfer of heat from the boiler to the tank. This protects the boiler and prevents mixing of hot and cold water in the tank. Which boiler should you choose for your particular needs? Varmebaronen has a large range of boilers to suit everyone who is choosing wood heating. Naturally, all our boilers are environmentally approved and can be fitted with a pellet burner. We manufacture all components in our own factory. This ensures quality down to the smallest detail. When all parts have been welded together, each boiler is thoroughly tested to ensure it's tight. When the boiler is ready, a final check is made before delivery to the customer. Your retailer will help you select the best boiler for your particular requirements. Leisure time is valuable. With a well-trimmed installation, the right technique and dry wood, a modern wood-burning boiler is efficient, environment-friendly and convenient. Varmebaronen stands for development, quality, economical operation, wide product range, environmentally approved products. For reliable operation and easy heating, choose Varmebaronen.